Hi guys, this is Dr. Bhupesh from Dr. BKM OET Institutes, and today we are going to record a very special recording, which we have a reading which we have just done, and I'm just going to record this question because everybody was saying this reading is very tough. Then we did this reading, and we found it somewhat okay. Means it was not tough. Again, you have to use few things. Again, I will try to say everything in this video. Please listen to this video 10 times, 20 times before your exam, and rather all of my videos or Dr. BKM's video should be seen 5, 10 times. One time video watch is not good because then you understand, oh, this is the answer, but you do not understand how. So again, I will tell you those insights. So first of all, the question number one that we covered, we understood that you have to read the question very carefully. Words like now should be read very carefully. That is what makes the answer easy. Doctors now know. Doctors now know. So this was the main word that I considered. Never ever leave these words. Doctors now. Now means at present. So when we read the paragraph, it was given in the first paragraph. So we read the paragraph that when the child was born, mewling and puking in the nurse arms was echoed. So it was given in the past. This line cannot have my answer. So I say out. Means make it simple. This line is not my answer because this is in the past. I want to come in the present. The newborn baby was thought to be either drowsy, asleep, crying, or to experience the word as glad, blooming confusion. So in the past, it appeared that baby is highly confused about the world. This line cannot have my answer. But we have learned present perfect now. We have learned this is present perfect. We have learned over the past 30 years that the healthy newborn babies can discriminate between the different sensation from the environment and respond. Now we know that healthy babies can differentiate the environment and can respond selectively. Selectively means according to their wish. Selectively means select. They can select. Within hours of the birth, will look at the baby will look at the mother face, and given the choice, newborn babies prefer to look at a card showing the human features rather than same features jumbled upon condensed into a large black patch. So the last line says that when new baby is born, if you will show the picture, if the card of something, they will love to see their mother face and they will love to see the card of the human. They will love to see the card showing the features of the human rather than jumbled puzzle or condensed or long black patch. So they would like to see a human picture. That means they want to say that baby can differentiate selectively. Earlier it was thought that baby cannot differentiate and the world appears to be confusion. So we went on to the options again, but please listen to it again. I know you have understood, but please, when you will listen to it second time, you will understand the importance of now. There is that is natural for the newborn baby to experience the word as a great blooming buzz and confusion. This is right, but it was given in the past. My question is in the present. That is the thing. The baby, the babies are much more responsible to the visual and auditory clues in their surroundings than was previously thought. That was exactly the point. They now can understand the senses. They are much more responsive than previously thought. So this seemed like an answer to us. So we did it simple. We did not go further to waste our time. Then we went on to the question number second. Again, listen to me even now. When you will listen to the video second time, if you understood the question, then learn how to speak like the way I'm speaking right now. I'm saying we have already done it. That means we have already completed this reading. But at the same time, I'm saying we went. Went means in the past. Past means when we did it for the first time, just half an hour ago. So it is very important to control the tenses. We went, we did this thing. So second form. Second form means past. Have plus third form means present perfect. Okay, cool. According to the art research, a baby given a choice. So that was the same line we read in the last. A baby given a choice will like to choose her mother face or human face. A card showing the human facial features. Cherry cake walk. Done. Dusted. Then we did question number fourth. Question number third, everybody might have felt easy, so nobody asked. So we went on to the question number third. Question number third was little tricky because there was this just wanted to ask what is true and what is false. That was the trickiest question, fourth one. So the question was tricky just because of this line. This line. I will read this line for you guys. It is often difficult to prove. That means you cannot prove. That means prove means evidence. There is no evidence. Or you can say it is often too difficult to prove. That means there is some kind of evidence. Means it is if it is if it is something that cannot be proved, then the line would have been it cannot be proved. But then they say it is difficult to prove. That means it can be proved, but with difficulty. That means there is some evidence. It can be proved with difficulty. It can be proved with difficulty means it can be proved. So there is some evidence that early intervention is effective in minimizing the handicap. Then we reach to the option C very easily, that there is some evidence that early intervention can minimize the handicap. So that was again very easy question. You can read it. Guys, even if you are watching my videos, you can read it. You can spend time. You can pause the video, can read other options too. But we have done it just now. So we are going ahead. Then we went on to the fifth question. Then it was that testing hearing in the newborn babies is difficult. Guys, you won't believe we did not read the paragraph even. The question was testing hearing in babies is difficult for all of the following reasons. Means all the reasons are correct except, that means please understand this concept now, except the questions having except are very, very important in the final exam. So today, two learnings we did. Read the question very carefully. First learning. Second learning, now word is very important. In the same way, except word is very important. So testing hearing is in the newborn baby is difficult because of all these reasons except. So that means one reason is something that makes the testing easy. Please listen to this again and again. There is one reason that makes testing easy. Rest all the reasons are making testing difficult. There is one reason that is making testing in the newborn babies easy. So how, what can make testing easy? Only one thing. If baby responds well to a sound or baby responds to a action, if he reacts, responds means react. There is means action, reaction. Respond also means that we respond to a certain statement. So that means, so then we did not read the paragraph even, we went on to the option. This question was made the easiest. Newborn babies show the behavior responses. That means baby is responding to blinking and startling. That means baby is responding means this is going to make testing easy. So we said A can be our answer. Then we read other options. Deaf babies sometimes make movements by chance. If baby will make movement by chance, then it's going to make testing difficult. So we read this cannot be answered. Observer may be biased. Observer may be biased means partial. Partial means like in the past we used to say this teacher is quite partial, yaar, partiality karta hai. This teacher does partiality. So in the same way, if observer is biased, if the nurses are biased who is conducting the test, then it's going to make the testing difficult. So this is not my answer. Auditory response does not measure moderate hearing loss. If something cannot measure moderate hearing loss, it's going to make testing difficult. So we did it A because we wanted to find all the things are making testing difficult. Yes, all the three options are making testing difficult, except this option in which baby is responding well. This is making testing easy. So we did it just like that. Was one of the best questions to learn. Negative tone or positive tone questions. We wanted to find something positive. 3 were negative, 1 was positive. Then this was a simple question. You can do it yourself. We did it. Acoustic emissions are the echo sound by the click stimuli. This was easy. This question was not very difficult, but still I would like to do it for you. Which method is correlated? So then you have to understand these lines. There was one line that was given. 346 infant testing was done. 20 out of 21 surviving infants who gave negative test in the brainstem audiometry So people who gave negative results to the brain audiometry also failed on the autoacoustic test. The people who failed in the audiometry also failed in the auto. That means these two methods are kind of equally sensitive or correlated. Then there was another line that was given in the next line that uh, brain audiometry and distraction testing are poorly correlated. So these two methods are poorly correlated. Then we easily understood this thing that brain audiometry. Again, we did it with the elimination. Elimination is very important. Okay, sir, it is not given that they are correlated, but somehow it is given that the infants who failed in audiometry also failed in autoacoustic test. So it is given they are correlated. But suppose if you say, sir, correlated value is not given. Okay, so we have a doubt. It can be right. It can be wrong. I agree with you. Okay, it can be wrong. It can be right. Brain audiometry correlated well with distraction testing. It was given they are poorly correlated. Just I read. Oh, sorry. Brain audiometry. Sorry. What was given again? Brain audiometry and distraction testing. Yeah, that was given. Now I will read it again to make it sure so that you guys do not get confused. Yeah. So they were saying poor correlation between distraction testing and audiometry. There was poor correlation. And B option is saying audiometry and distraction testing has well correlation. So at least this cannot be my answer because it's clearly given it is poorly correlated. Auto acoustic tests correlate poorly with brain audiometry, but that was given again. They both have equal kind of sensitivity. So at least I can't say they are poorly correlated. At least I can't say this is poorly correlated. Then the last thing, autoacoustic test correlated well with the it is not given. There is no comparison given between the autoacoustic test and the distraction. There is no comparison given. So I can't do at least this. So I'm left up with the option. So that is what is elimination. Again, guys, I'm recording this video so that you don't get bored. So I'm recording it fast, but you can listen to it again and again. And please understand, questions are very important. Then you read the paragraph, then you correlate with the options. And again, if you can find only 5 questions out of 8, which you are sure in the part C, 5 in the part C1, 5 in the part C2, 5 plus 5, 10, 4 in the part B, 14, that means you will pass. Now there are 3 questions in the part C because 3 questions are left. In the same way, 3 questions from the part C2 and 2 questions from the part B. That means total 8 questions are still there, out of which, if they are difficult, out of which if you can get even 3 right, then you will score 17 out of 22. How can you fail in reading? And that is why I say OET is the easiest exam of the world. You just need to understand what I have told you just now, and listening to one time to this video will not fetch you result. Listen to it at least 3 times, 4 times. Try to learn. Now word is very important. And it's not only now. It's yesterday we did reading and there was a word like regular, always. These words should be taken care of. If it is given that physiotherapy is required, but in the option it is given regular physiotherapy is required, then it is eliminated because regular word is not given. So please understand words like these. These are known as adverbs. What are adverbs? What are adverbs? Okay, I will write it down for you. Okay, adverbs. Okay, let me search up adverbs examples. Adverbs are the thing like really ly words, all the ly words, and they're badly, rarely, every day. So these are the adverbs. These should be taken care of in OET. The most important things to be taken care of. Sorry, I think it will open. If it does not open, I will. These are the adverbs. I have to verify it. I don't know what is it. Okay, verify you are a human. I will do that. Okay, list of adverbs. I want to have that picture. Yeah, these are adverbs. So always care about these words, but not all of them. But rarely, every day, everyone. These are the very important words. Repeatedly is kind of an adverb you should go for. Reluctantly is a word that you should know. Rarely and fastly, quickly, all these words are very important. So rather I would make it simple. It was given in much easy way. The other picture was much easy. I would say these examples were better. These examples were better. Rarely, badly, yeah, I can understand these words. So adverbs are the main things in OET reading that you should that yeah. Tom did not run badly. If I remove, see, please understand the importance of adverb. If I remove this word, Tom did not run, that means he did not run. He did not run badly, that means he ran good. It changes everything. Adverbs are those kind of magic. Tom is very tall. So it tells about the intensity. Tom is tall. No, no, very tall. Race finished too quickly. Finished quickly means quickly. Too quickly means too early. He is good. That means he is good. He is too good means very good. He is too good to pass. Now it changes everything. He is too good to pass means he cannot pass. He is good. He is too good. He is too good to pass. That means he cannot pass. It changes everything. So these are adverbs. A few bit of examples, obviously you can go through them, fortunately, and all those things. Please go through adverbs. You do not do adjective, don't do nouns, pronouns, don't do anything. But at least know adverbs if you want to get better at your reading. Like this, the lake is quite beautiful. The book is more interesting than the last one. More is the second degree. More second degree means comparison. So I cannot cover everything in this video, but there are other videos that I have. But again, please listen to these lectures 3 4 times. Learn one thing in a day. Like today you don't have to learn adverbs. Today learn the importance of reading the questions and understanding now. Now is also kind of adverb. It tells the situation now. So now, past, second form, all these things are very important. Read the options. And some questions, at least 2 questions or 1 question at least in every OET exam should be of positive tone and negative tone. Means if you can understand, like yesterday we were doing a listening question, I remember. It was given that the thing is happening because, and positive thing was given. If I am saying I am feeling good because AC is working. So I will complete the line with the positive thing. I am feeling good because AC is not working. Does not make sense. So because is a connector that comes positive with positive. However is a connector that connects positive and negative. The is I am feeling good. However, I am feeling good. However, AC is not working. So however is an opposite connector, but because is a positive positive or negative negative connector. So you need to understand small things, and that is what we do at Dr. BKM OET Institutes. Thank you for listening to this video patiently. Subscribe our channel if you have not. And for the best OET coaching, guys, contact us at 76967 34256. Thank you.